Imagine a world where chemistry becomes a friend, not a foe. In a world where chemistry is no longer an enemy, but a companion. Perhaps you are a student overwhelmed by elements, compounds, and reactions. That is where Tutorio can come in. We will offer a beacon of light amidst the sea of uncertainty, struggle, and worry. Join us and our experienced tutors will help turn fear into comprehension, struggle into triumph. With each tutoring session with us, your confidence will blossom, transforming the once intimidating realm of chemistry into a realm of opportunities. And once that success has been attained, it's not just about acing a test, it's about overcoming fears and embracing progress, change, and optimism. Tutorio makes the impossible possible every day.